Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning about parameters. I'm sure you'll be like, what has parameters got to do with Power BI? Now let me break it down. Parameters in Power BI has to do with ensuring that your measures over here, that your measures are able to make impacts just by being clicked. As they are able to make impacts in a whole report just by being clicked, and parameters just has a way of making that happen. So let's just go on. Okay, so this is how to get it. You go to Ribbon, you click Modeling, you see new parameters over here, and you click it. We have numerical range and we have fields. For this particular video we're going to go for fields. So over here we're choosing fields already. Over here you can still change it to numerical range, but we're still going for fields. Here you just give your parameter a name. For this particular one we just give it performance. And so once you click it, this is the area where you can now click anything and you include it in your parameters. It could be inside your tables, it could be the measure, but in this particular video we're going to go for the measures. So you can add as much as possible. For this I'm going to add number of referral, we have number of patients, we have the DNA and cancelled. DNA means did not attend appointments, but we just go for attended appointments. So let's just make this happen. So we just click create. Once you click create, it refreshes and pops up here. In here is already a DAX, of which you can include as much parameters as possible. Assuming you want to include another parameter, you can just follow just like the other. First of all, we first put a comma, go down, be comma, bracket open, then you give it the name of the parameter. It's just that it's usually easy to click it at the beginning, but if you forget to do that, you can always come here and make your clicks. Number of appointments. What's remaining here? Number of referrals that attended their first face-to-face appointment. It's so long, so we just make it short. Referrals. Face-to-face appointments. We'll leave it that way. Bracket close, put your comma, and then you find the table. Particularly using name of. You put number of referrals who attended the first face-to-face appointment. We'll just click this one. For this, you comma, this is told parameters we're going for, you bracket close, and that we have it. If you want to include more, you can always include more by putting your comma and then doing the same procedure again and again. But if this is the last, you take off the comma and we have this bracket closing, and you click, you tick, and it processes. Now we have it. It has come up here as a slicer, or would say filter. So that's what it always comes up with. So let's make our clicks. First of all, in your measure, you'd have to click the parameter. We go to performance, use this particular cell or column, or this particular measure that we have created now inside performance, which we named it as, and move it here, remove number of referrals. So now this is it. Now this is where the magic happens. The more you click, the more it's filtered down to exactly what you want to see. You can do this to as many visuals as possible and then make your clicks, and it affects every visual in the report. So go ahead and try it and tell me exactly how it went. If you have issues, you can also drop your comments and let me know what else you need to learn. I will just go from there. Okay, so catch you in the next video. Bye bye.